Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing 2 kg of firm apples. Quality matters because flavor concentrates. Once washed and cored, cut apples into quarters so blades or press engage evenly. You can pulse in a blender or feed a juicer. If using simmering, add 1/2 cup water to prevent scorching. Make sure your equipment is sanitized and assembled. This reduces off flavors and contamination. Move steadily. You want even pieces, so extraction efficiency improves and cleanup stays manageable. Once you have uniform pulp, press or strain firmly so you extract maximum juice. This is how you get high yield and bright flavor. Use cheesecloth or a fine sieve, squeezing until flow slows. You add 1 tablespoon lemon juice because acid preserves color and sharpens taste. It also slows enzymatic browning. If the juice is too concentrated, dilute with cold water to desired strength. Make sure to chill the finished juice quickly to preserve aroma and slow microbial growth. You finish by pouring juice into sterilized glass jars, leaving about 1 cm headspace so expansion won't force lids. Seal tightly and label with date. Refrigerate for up to 7 days or freeze portions for longer storage. If you plan canning, process jars in a hot water bath to ensure safety. If the juice becomes cloudy or develops an off smell, reheat to a simmer to test safety, but discard if doubt remains. This usually signals sanitation or acidity issues you must correct next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.